Ever set up your Shopify store and realized where are the product reviews? Like, are people just supposed to trust you? Yeah, same. I launched my first store and totally forgot reviews even existed, until 0 people bought my handcrafted minimalist candles. All right, let's fix that. Reviews equals social proof, and social proof equals sales. Let's get those stars shining. Step 1, install the Product Reviews app from Shopify. Just head to the Shopify App Store, search Product Reviews by Shopify. Yes, it's free. And click Add App. Easy. Step 2, add it to your product pages. Once it's installed, go to Online Store, then go to Themes, click Customize, and pick a product page. Scroll down, hit Add Block, and add the review widget. Boom. It'll show up under the product description. Step 3, start collecting reviews. No shame in asking your friends or first buyers to leave honest reviews. I literally texted my roommate and said, "Please roast my soap nicely." Step 4, customize the look. If the stars look funky or too basic, tweak the design in your theme settings. Trust me, that little yellow pop, it sells. Adding reviews isn't just about flexing 5-star ratings, it's about building trust. You're not just selling a product, you're building a vibe. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tips, behind the scenes stuff, and me messing up so you don't have to. You've got this. Go get those reviews rolling.